I'd like to talk just a little bit about housekeeping and care maintenance of the apparatus. Should the bead ever become separated or it's elongated in this instance, it's very easy to fix that problem. You probably see there's some residue at the bottom here. This tube has been used many times and it's a very, very simple procedure to clean it up. If the bead has become separated in any way, simply take it from the holder, place it in a beaker of warm water, leaving it on the spout at an angle, and as it warms up, the air will be dispelled through the bead, which becomes less viscous and allows the air to expand. You can then, should you wish, keep the temperature high, take it from the beaker and shake it out or use a pipe cleaner.